Hi, my name is Theodore and I'm responsible for the Pharmaceutical, Medical and High-Tech Packaging Division at Audion. COVID-19 has had a huge impact on this sector. The request for sterile alcohol gels, masks and medicine is way too high. Existing companies can't handle this. New companies start up to meet up with the increasing demand, but the demand of products that help prevent the expansion of COVID-19 is simply too big. In order not to lose any time and keep focus on the production of these vital products, we want to show you how you can pack as efficient as possible and at the same time have a high quality package which guarantees safe transport of the product to the end user. For example, the nurse in the hospital. This is also the reason why the government of the United Kingdom ordered multiple Audion CS-MATIC machines. They are packaging 400,000 of these Visor Masks per week. Operating the Audion CS-MATIC and analyzing the data is an easy job thanks to the large touchscreen. Adjusting the machine for packing a different size of product is a piece of cake with the Audion CS-MATIC. And do you want to have the film shrink over your product like this? A shrink tunnel in the back can be added. Efficiency and flexibility are the key in this fast-changing world. For any additional questions, feel free to contact us.